it's Shannon here, Art Junkie. I'm here to make a card on a Monday. Make a card Monday. That's what we're here to do. Been hanging out with my friends, doing lives all morning. That was fun. I usually don't make it early in the morning, but I had been at my daughter's for the weekend, so I had been really tired, so I went to sleep early last night, which means I woke up early, which means I caught Janet Nash and Create It with Becca. Make It with Becca. Anyways, I caught Becca's live too, so that was really fun. So now I'm gonna sit down and do my work. I'm gonna make a card Monday. Picked out this nice pink card. I got these online on Amazon. They come in like a set of 12 with all different colors. They're a little expensive, but I got them as a little treat for myself. And I mean, they're all for friends, you know, and all that. So, you know, it's fun once in a while. So I got the pink out, and I got the pink bling bling out, and I got the pink hearts out. Those would be nice. And I got some paper. So let's try that out. Oh, well, I remember my daughter gave me a gift because I babysat her cat all weekend while she went to America. And while she was in America, I like to call America, she bought me some Distress Oxide because they were on sale and for like $5. And these in Canada are like between $13 and $15. So I was greatly appreciated. I don't have any of these. So now I have an excuse to buy some more. Like I need a purple, you know, I need an orange. We got the red, yellow, blue, and green. So I need a purple and an orange and a pink and, you know. So anyways, I'm going to play with these as well, this one. On my live on Wednesday, I'm going to do a whole bunch of fun techniques using these. I've been watching Mr. Tim Holtz doing his techniques. So I'll be doing a whole bunch of background techniques using the Distress Oxide and the regular oxide together. They really combine well together and make fun, beautiful colored backgrounds. And you know me, I like my colors. So we're gonna do that on Wednesday for my live. And tomorrow is Tuesday. So I'll be doing my pulling a card and reading my journey to the heart. I think I might try to tell you guys a little story about my background with my brain injury and how that happens and how it affects me and all that kind of stuff. Coffee's in the way a little bit. I'm gonna cut some papers. Let me see. This is I don't know if this is a 5x7. Let me see what it is. It's a 5.5. So that's 4.5 by 6. Sorry. That's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4.5 by 6.5. 4.5 by 6.5. All right. So we're gonna do a little cut here. Six. Cut by 6 here so that it's straight. Some scissors here to cut this last little bit. That pretty paper. I'm gonna do a little bit there. You see here. It's nice. I'm gonna cut a little bit more of this off. There, I'm gonna cut there. There, that's good. Very nice. And I can cut some more of this stuff off just to make a little. Let's try the big scissors. There. Is that good? Need a little straightening here. There. That's good. And I want to do another one. Yeah. I'm into this layering right now. That's just, I don't know why. That's what I'm into. So that's what I'm into. That's what I'm into right now. There. Okay, let's straighten this out. There we go. Alrighty, good. Put these big papers away. I can use those again. Oh my God, disaster zone. Ugh. I gotta clean my desk. It's not clean right now. It's a bit of a hot mess. So that's fine. I'm gonna do that after I'm done doing this part. There, we got to this, we got to that. I need some. Is this pretty? That's pretty. That's pretty too. I think I'll go with this one. This is Taperlogy stuff. Oh, by the way, another piece of information. Taperlogy is going to be using my art as on their oh, what's the word I'm looking for? Taperlogy is going to be using my art in their newsletter. So that's an exciting news. That's exciting, eh? They like it. So cool. That's what's gonna happen with that. I like that a lot. That sounds fun. Okay, look at this brand new. Ooh, it's so pretty. I need some more brand new of these. I gotta order some at the beginning of the month when I get my pay. See, this stuff here is really bright and beautiful because it's a mix of dye ink. So there. And when you add water to it, it oxidizes and turns funky colors. So, oh no, we're gonna do this too. I'm gonna do these ones as well. So y'all know, if you've been here before, I like my bright colors. If you haven't been here before, now you know. I like my bright colors. There. Here we are. Go. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's make a card on a Monday. I'm gonna put this on first. Not pretty. I don't have any more tape runner. I don't know how tape runner runs out so fast. I make a couple cards and my tape runner is gone. I'm gonna use some, what do you call this stuff? we go. That's fun. That works. Alrighty. Glue stick. That's what they call this stuff. They call it a glue stick. Put some glue stick down. Glue stick. Put that there. I'm gonna put some, I always like to add some lace to my cards. This is a pretty basic card here. I'll put this down here, and then I will I'm gonna add some flowers too. I like my flowers. Okay, is this right? Yes, that's perfect. Okay, let's see here. Let me put some of this on here. Now, this is this might look like really, see right here, I'm putting this on here. This dries clear. It sticks things down very well, things like this, and it dries clear. So just so you know, I'm not just sticking a big mess on here. No, it's gonna dry clear and everything's gonna be okay. So there's that. Two, this is pink red. That'll be nice. The red will be nice. We'll put this on there instead of the flower. We'll use this. There we go. There we are. Okay. That looks good. Let's put some of this stuff on here. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I'm gonna put some pink flowers on too. I mean, some pink hearts. Oh, there's another pink heart over here. There we are. There! What a beautiful, simple card. Yeah, a beautiful, simple card. I will take some pictures of this once it's dry, so it doesn't look like a big mess here. And you know what I want to do? I'm going to put a saying on the card because I like to do that. Let's see what we got here. I want a small one. There. This one's perfect. You are enough. Yes, you are. You are enough. I'm going to use this ink because it's nice and bright. I have my little thingamajiggy here. There we go. I'm going to move that a little bit out of the way because I want to put this here. And I'll put the little heart right here. There. Maybe should have done it in black, but anyways, it's there, it's done. And there's our card for the Make a Card Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.